Okay, let's take a look at today's assignment. See what we're working with. Making a table here. Again, this is an Algebra 1 concept. This is just saying input this number. Input -3 into absolute value, which would then become a +3. Add 5 to it, and it would be 8. Okay, that's it. You're completing it by just inputting and getting the outputs. An Algebra 1 skill review there. Yep, I am good. Okay, what else we got? Got some sweet internet, I can tell you that. So yeah, there we go. Okay, more of the same there. And then plotting the points to make the graph. Okay, this is directly what we talked about today. This is, what are these different things going to do to your graph? Remember, the negative causes the reflection over the x-axis. The 1/4 means it's going to have a slope of 1/4. And it's absolute value, so it's going to be V-shaped. So I can rule out A and D right away because those are facing upward. It's got to be one of these two. And of these two, it's the one with the slope of 1/4. This is going down 1, right 4, whereas this one looks like it's like down, I don't know, down 4, right 1. It's like the opposite. So I have to be C in that case. Okay, more. What do we get here? Describe transformation as a parent function. So again, here you're just saying in words what it did. Exactly what we just talked about. Making the graph. Okay, this is good. We talked about this a little bit yesterday. It's a good time to talk about it again. So this is x squared. We know it's U-shaped. Boom. We know it has to start at 0, 0 because there's no shifts going on here. There's no left or right, no up or down. So we know we got 0, 0. Now we need a second point. We need to know where this is going to be. It is 1/9. That means it's going to be a compressed graph. So we know it's going to be wider than kind of your normal graph. But how wide? An easy way to do this, just put a number in this. Put something like, let's say 3 into this. 3 squared would be 9. 9 times 1/9 is 1. So that means that when I input 3, I get 1 out. So then I know at 3, this graph should be at 1. And then we should be good. So we should be able to save it, check it. Boom, nice work. Okay, more of the same. This is just like the other one we looked at before. Again, nothing too crazy. More of the other one we looked at. Yeah, so hopefully this one's pretty smooth for you. There shouldn't be anything too crazy as far as this goes. This is describing the transformations. This is the original function. What have they done here? What is this dividing by 5 or multiplying it by 1/5? What's that going to do? What's minusing a 7 at the end of it going to do? Those are your things that we've talked about for a couple days now. And again, one last graphing one where you're looking at all these different pieces. What's the negative do? What's the 1/5 do? What's the +10 do? So again, these are all your different kind of shifts and then creating the graph to make it. So try it out, see how it goes.